Igoods delivers products from hypermarkets. Customers can receive goods from a specific and well-known store, but to do so, they don't need to go anywhere. We process every order with due care and attention, and are constantly striving to offer our customers the fastest and the most versatile delivery options possible. Like all our peers in online delivery industry, we experienced exponential growth in 2020. Almost instantly, the number of orders doubled or tripled, and it was important to us to complete them while maintaining the same speed and quality. In our case, the main problem was the confirmation process of the customer's first order. In just 3 days, with colleagues from Voximplant, we launched the first pilot scenario of automated calls. It turned out to be much better than only a prototype, and we began to confirm thousands of orders via the bot every day. Now, right after the order has been placed, the bot calls the customer and confirms that he or she is waiting for the order at the specific time. After the confirmation, the system adds a check mark to the order so the buyer can safely pick it up. Thanks to Voximplant, 95% of orders are confirmed without any human input. This means immense savings for us, and the delivery process goes faster and smoother for our customers. With the help of Voximplant, we can move faster towards our goal of making our customers' lives more comfortable and carefree.